Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel New IBOL Designing Developer. Like in the previous videos, we have learned many of the things using Python in artificial intelligence, and I hope you enjoy that all projects which we have done yet using Python in artificial intelligence. And we are also doing the DSA videos with this Python artificial intelligence project. And in the previous video, I've also telling you the DSA, and in the previous video I've just telling you what are expressions and all that things about DSA. But today we are not working on DSA because in the previous videos we have learned about the DSA, and I will be bringing up one day Python artificial intelligence video and one day DSA video. So today we are just working on our project in Python and we will be using artificial intelligence with that. So today I will be telling you that how you can just build an amazing movie management system using Python in artificial intelligence. So I hope you'll be understanding this. You can say this shop management system we are building today. So if you have understand, enjoy this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, the notification bell as well, so you can just see all the coming up videos, because that will giving you help, and I hope that will be just really understandable for you. And remember to check my all the future videos which I'll be uploading. For that you have to hit notification bell, and remember to share this video so more people can learn about these things. And you can just also suggest me in the comment what videos should I make and what language should I use in my project. So I'll be using that in building projects. And you can also just suggest me what tutorial I should make using these all languages. So I'll be building that, and soon in the future I'll be building a Python Django plus Flask course in which I will be making many of the projects using that languages as well. So now we'll be starting with our today's video and seeing that how we are just building our today's Python artificial intelligence project, which is Movie Finder, or you can say movie shop management system in Python using artificial intelligence from start to end. So just like I'm telling you, we'll be just building an amazing project using Python, and today I will be telling you that how we can just build this amazing you can say movie shop management system. So now we'll be starting with our project and seeing that how we'll be just building this amazing movie shop management system. So for building this amazing movie shop management system, I will be opening my VS Code. Like you all know that when I was just working with my Python artificial intelligence project, so I was using this text editor. So I will be now opening my folder which is on desktop, and my folder name is movie shop management system. Here it is. So I'll be now pressing select folder to open this. Now our folder has been opened, so I'll be moving to this source file, and this is our main file here from which we'll be working. So I will be raising all the codes from here. Then we'll be starting our main codes from here. So you can see we are just getting all this stuff. Then we are just getting the codes here as well. So I will be now just erasing the codes from here. Then you have to move to your main file, and then you have to start the main codes from here. So I will be now just writing here like from domain. Then I will be writing dot borrow like this. And then when you've written this thing here, I will be writing import borrow. Then you have to just write here from domain. So here I will be writing from domain dot rental like this. Then you have to write here import rental. Then you have to move down, write here import repository. Then write here dot borrow repository. Then write here import. And after writing this here, you have to write borrow repository. Then again I will be writing repository here. Then this time you have to write DVD repository, and I will be now just writing here DVD and write here repository. And now you have to just move down, right here from domain. Then you have to just write here DVD and write here import. And after writing import, I will be writing DVD. Then write here from controller, and then you have to just write here dot controller like this, and write here import controller. And then you have to just move down, write here from UI. Then you have to just write here UI. Then I will be writing import UI. Then write here def means define main. Then I will be making this bracket, and then move down, write here borrow and write here repo like this is equals to. Then I will be now just writing here borrow and write here repository like this. Then I will be now just writing here borrow txt. Then I will be just moving down, right here DVD and write here repo like this is equals to. Then I will be writing DVD repository here. Then you have to now just make this tag right here dvd.txt. Now you have to just write here ctrl means control and write here controller, and then you have to just write here borrow. And then after writing this borrow here, I will be writing repo like this and write here DVD. Then when you've just written this, I will be now writing here repo. Then you have to just write here UI is equals to capital UI like this. Then you have to just write here ctrl means control. Then write here UI dot run. Then you have to make this bracket here. After making this, just I will be writing main tag and then open closing this. So you can see I've just saved this all file. After saving this, here we have to now start the codes of UI in which we will be writing our UI code. So here you have to move to your UI.py file, and here I will be just now writing the UI codes of my movie shop management system. So here you have to write from domain dot rental, then I will be writing import, right here rental, then you have to just write here from domain dot errors, then I will be just writing here import, and you have to write here duplicate exception, then I will be writing here an existing exception, comma, then I will be writing this backslash here. After writing this, I will be writing already. So here I will be now just moving down after this tag, then you have to give a space from here and then write here already and write here borrowed. Then you have to now just move down, right here class UI, and then you have to make this bracket and then move down, right here def init. So here I will be now just writing here def init, and you have to now just write here a tag which will be like self, right? CTRL means control, and you have to close this, or you can say make this tag again. Then I will be now just writing here dot, right here CTRL means control is equals to control. Then you have to now just write here def menu and write here self. So here I will be writing, then make this tag right here menu list, and then you have to write here is equals to, and then write here menu and underscore I will be writing here list. After writing list, I will be just writing plus is equals to, then write backslash t and then write here backslash t here. Then you have to now just write here movie and write here rental shop, and then you have to just write here management. After writing this, you have to write here backslash n here like this. Then you have to now just move down and write here menu list plus is equals to, then I will be now just writing backslash t here. Then you have to write again and write this time menu backslash n here. Then you have to just move down, right here menu list and write here plus is equals to, right here backslash t, and then I will be writing to get all. Then I will be writing here rentals. Here we have to just write type list, and then you have to write here rentals. Here you have to close it, and then you have to now just write this dot and then write here backslash n here, write here menu list plus is equals to, then you have to just write here plus t and write here to get filtered. So here I will be writing to get like this filtered, and you have to write here rentals type, then you have to just write here filter again. Then I will be now just writing here DVD name. So here when you've just written this, here you have to now just write here full stop. Then I will be now moving down, right here menu list and write here plus is equals to, then you have to just write here backslash t. Then you have to write here to get and write here to add a new. So here I will be writing to add a new rental type. Then I will be just writing here this add and write here DVD ID. Then you have to now just write here client name. So here I will be now just writing this, close this, and you have to write here backslash n. Then again you have to write here menu list plus is equals to, then write here to return. Then I will be now just writing here a tag which will be like to return. So here when you just written this, I will be writing to return a rental type, and then I will be just writing here red, and you have to just write here DVD. So I will be writing here ID, close this, then I will be now just writing here backslash n. Now when you've just written this, I'll be writing again menu list, right here plus is equals to, right here to show the menu type, then I will be writing here menu, and you have to now just write here dot and then backslash n, right here menu list, then I will be writing here plus is equals to backslash t, then you have to write here to exit and write here type and write here exit. Then you have to now just write this backslash n here. Then you have to write here print menu. Then I will be just now writing here list. Here I will be just moving down and write here def print list, and then you have to now just write here self my list. Then you have to now just write a tag which should be like if length. Then you have to now make this tag right here my list and write here is equals to 0. Then you have to just move down, right here print and write here the list. So here I will be now just writing here the list is empty, and then you have to just write this tag and write backslash n. Then you have to write here else for I in my list. Then you have to write here print and then write here I tag. And now when you've written this, here you have to just write a tag which should be like def run. Then I will be now just writing here self, and you have to just move down, right here self dot menu. Then you have to write here while true, and here I will be just writing command is equals to, right here input, and right here please give me a command, and then I will be just writing this there. After writing this thing here, you have to now just move down right here if command is equals to, and right here menu, and here you have to write self menu, make this bracket, here you have to write elif command is equals to, and then you have to just write here list rentals, then I will be now just writing here self dot print, then I will be just now writing here list, and here you have to just write self dot underscore, then you have to now just write here underscore ctrl means control dot list rentals. So here I will be now just writing here list underscore rentals, make this bracket here, and after making this just you have to move down right here elif command is equals to exit, then you have to make this colon or semicolon, then after making the semicolon here you have to now just write here print, and I will be now just writing in this print tag the program. So here I will be writing the program like this, and after writing this here I will be moving, then I will be writing the program will exit, and then you have to write three dots here. After writing this thing just you have to move down, return the value. After returning the value here you have to just now write here elif, and in this I will be this time writing here filter right here in command, then I will be now just writing here info is equals to command dot split, and you have to now make this tag, and I will be just giving a space and writing here 1, then you have to write here if len info, then I will be now just writing here is equals to 2, then you have to write here self print underscore list, and here you have to just now write here this tag, and then write here self dot underscore ctrl means control dot filter, and write here underscore dvds, then I will be writing here name, write here info, and in here I will be just writing 1, then write here else print, and in print value I will be now just writing here please give me a valid command, then I will be now just writing this tag here backslash n, then you have to now just write here fn call, and then you have to write 1353, so like this I have just written this, then you have to write elif and write here add, and write here add in command, and after writing this here you have to now just write here info is equals to command like this, then I will be just writing here split, and after writing this you have to just give a space from here, then write here try, and then you have to move down right here self dot underscore ctrl, then you have to write here add new browser, or you can say add new borrow, then you have to write here info, make this 2 here, then you have to write comma, then you have to write info, and this time I will be writing value 1, right here print, and then now in print value I will be just writing here successfully, so here I will be now writing successfully rented a dvd, then you have to just write here, then here I will be now just writing accept, and then you have to write duplicate, so here I will be now just write duplicate exception as de, then you have to write here print de, then you have to now just write accept, and write here in existing, then you have to now just writing in existing exception as ie, then you have to just write here print, and then I will be just now writing here print ie like this, then I will be just now moving down after this and write here accept, and then you have to just write here already, and then I will be writing borrowed and write as ae, then you have to just write here print ae, then you have to now just move here, and then you have to write here elif and write here red, and then write here in command like this, then you have to move down and then write here info, and then here I will be writing is equals to command dot split, and you have to now just make this tag here, and then you have to move down right here try, write self dot underscore ctrl, so here I will be now just writing ctrl, right here delete browser, or you can say delete borrow again, then you have to just write here init value info, and in info I will be just now writing here 1, print value should be, so here I will be writing successfully, and after writing successfully here you have to now just make this right here return are rented, and then write here our dvd, then you have to just now write backslash n, and after writing this backslash n here you have to just move at the back, right here accept, and then in accept I will be writing in existing exception, then you have to now just write here as ie, so here I will be now just writing this, then write here print under bracket ie, then you have to just move down, write here else value print, then write here please give me a, then I will be now just writing here valid, so here I will be writing valid command, then you have to now just make this tag backslash n, save this, and you can see now when you will be running that, so you will be just getting your you can say this movie management system working. So we have to check that it is working or not. So I'll be moving to command from cd desktop, then I will be writing cd, our folder name was medicine, then I will be now just writing here medicine shop management system, press enter, and then here in python we have not written, so I'll be writing medicine shop management system, and then I will be just now writing in python. Now you can just see this here, we are just getting this. So we have to check what the name we have written. So here I will be moving this, and then you have to copy this name, so we will be not having any error now. cd, paste the name here. So here we have written movie shop, not the medicine. Okay, the mistake was that, because we are building this movie shop here. So I will be now doing one thing, like here we have to move in the folder main.py we have to run. So in this folder you will be just getting first of all one folder again, in that we will be just getting our file. So we have to just move to like our folder here on desktop, this was our folder movie shop, and in this we have to move to source folder. So I will be writing cd source main.py. Then you can see we are just getting this our python movie shop management system working. So it is saying that give me a command. So here it is asking that to get all the rental type, list rental, dvd name, you can just get it by here, and you can just exit it by writing exit. So here I will be writing list rentals. If I write, so here if I write list rentals, then you can see it is saying that, well, give me a valid command. So here you can just write here list rentals like this, and when you will be just writing this, you can see it is saying that this list, the list is empty. So if you want to add a new list, so you have to just type add, then you have to write here dvd id, then just you have to write here client name. So here I will be now writing this, press enter. So you can see it is showing that add dvd client name, but we are sorry, but the item does not exist. It is saying that item is not been existing here. So you have to just write like this. So here I will be now just writing here like this, then I will be writing the client name as well like this thing. Then you have to move down after this, so you can see it is showing me that we are sorry, but the item doesn't exist. So like this you can just build this amazing movie management system, or you can say movie shop management system in python using artificial intelligence. I hope you understand how we have built this project. If you have understand, enjoy this video, and if you learned how to build this amazing project using python, so remember to hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so you can just see all the coming up videos, because that will be also giving you help if you want to build projects using python. And I will be also uploading DSA videos in future, and I hope that will be also really understandable for you. So just now I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.